Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing and swatching the BH Cosmetics It's My Raye Raye Eyeshadow Palette. I believe this is the second collaboration between BH and Raye. Let me know in the comments if I'm correct. I also don't know if this palette is limited edition or permanent. The palette was released on March 27th on BH Cosmetics website and it's now available at Ulta.com. This palette retails for $17.50. It's a 15 eyeshadow pan palette, and I also wanted to say that these are mini eyeshadow pans in the palette. When I got this palette in the mail, I was pretty bummed to see how small this palette is. If you think the Colourpop palettes are small, this is actually smaller than those. The packaging of this palette is a metallic copper packaging made out of cardboard. The palette has a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror. Out of the 15 eyeshadows, 8 are mattes and 7 are shimmers. Something I noticed is that the middle row has the same shades as the bottom row, except that the middle row has them in shimmer and the bottom row has them in a matte finish. When I did my swatches for the mattes, I only noticed that the matte blue shade named Cobalt wasn't as pigmented as the rest of the mattes, but it was buildable. All of the mattes were velvety and they blended smoothly. For the shimmers, all were creamy and very pigmented except for the shade Golden Girl. I noticed that this shade was a little bit sheer. So overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. Even though the pans are very tiny, it was $17.50, so it's not like it was overpriced. I personally think this palette can be an everyday palette since it has a good variety of neutrals for daytime looks and colorful eyeshadows that can be used for a pop of color or for evening looks. So I really hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.